Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a list of fun and engaging activities that you can easily do at home with your kids to help them learn and have a great time together. 1. Drawing and painting. Encourage your kids to express themselves by drawing and painting their favorite toys, characters, or things they see around the house. This is a fantastic way to boost their creativity, fine motor skills, and cognitive development. 2. Board games and puzzles. Playing board games and completing puzzles together can be a fantastic way to bond and learn. Try classic games like Monopoly or Scrabble, or explore new ones like Settlers of Catan or Ticket to Ride. 3. Cooking and baking. Turn your kitchen into a fun learning space by having your kids help you cook or bake a new recipe. This will help them develop essential life skills like following instructions, measuring ingredients, and teamwork. 4. Science experiments. Conduct simple home experiments with everyday items like vinegar, baking soda, and food coloring. This will not only entertain your kids, but also teach them about science and curiosity. 5. Reading and storytelling. Share stories with your kids and take turns reading from a book together. Reading helps develop their language, vocabulary, and cognitive skills. Choose age-appropriate books with interesting stories and images. 6. Outdoor activities. Get outside and explore nature. You can go for a walk, dig in the garden, or play games like tag or hide and seek in your backyard. 7. Music and dance. Have your kids try various musical instruments or dance together. This will help them develop their creativity, coordination, and self-expression. Remember, the key is to be patient, flexible, and enjoy the process. These activities are meant to be fun and education, not a strict lesson plan. Have fun and happy teaching. Don't forget. See you in the next video.